In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can delete all of your trash inside Notion with one click. Now, first of all, what we want to do is we want to search for Chrome Store and then click on Chrome Web Store here at the top. And then we want to search for empty Notion trash. As you can see, you will then be brought over to this right here, and then what you want to do is just click on Add to Chrome Extensions on this section, and then once you do this, you want to head over to Notion on your Chrome browser. Now once you are inside Notion, you now need to go to Trash on the left hand side bar here, click on Trash, and then you can now see an option for Empty Trash in the top right hand corner. So to empty this with one click, what we can do is simply click on Empty Trash. And then once we do this, it will take a couple of seconds, and then what will happen is it will come up at the top saying, are you sure you want to delete 1000 blocks? If you are sure, you can then click on OK. Click on OK to confirm this, and then if we go ahead now and refresh our page, as you can see, if we do go back over to our Notion, select Trash, as you can see, all the trash inside Notion has now been deleted. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.